So one of the things that you can do using VLC Media Player is take screenshots of your computer as well. So to actually do that, you need to go around over here onto Media, and then what you need to do is go around onto Open Capture Device, right here just like this. Then over here you can go ahead and then select out Desktop right here. Once you go ahead and do that, you can select out a desired frame rate. Let me just go ahead and select 30, let's say for example, and hit the play button. Once you do that, what happens is that you get the screen as you can see right here. So now in order to take a screenshot, let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this, then all you need to do is go ahead and click on the take a snapshot button right here, and that will be saved up right here just like this. So now over here you will be able to go ahead onto the advanced control, and then you get the snapshot option right here. And apart from that, you can also go to the video menu and take a snapshot right here, and that particular image will be stored out as a PNG image as you can see, just like this as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and use VLC Media Player in order to take snapshots of your computer screen as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.